Hi everybody, we're out in the yard today feeding our birds. I've got them so tame, they'll eat right out of my hand. Oh look, here come a couple of the magpies.
I'll scoot over so I can get it. Oh, my ankle.
Ah!
Molly, what's the matter?
The birds,
What are they doing?
they're everywhere.
Look at you. They were trying to build a nest in your hair even.
Yeah,
What's on your forehead?
bird poop.
There's another bird. There's another bird.
Get out of here, go, go,
Crazy bird. What in the heck got them going? What were you feeding them?
Cat food.
Cat food, you crazy woman. Get him.
Yeah, go.
Whoa. He had his beak open. He was going to bite you. Behind you this way. Behind you this way.
Go.
What from that side? Oh, go, get him.
Go, get.
But you're all right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll see you in just a minute. Take the broom with you. Just think, jeez, they're all perched in that tree waiting for you.
Oh, they got another thing coming.
Run!
What?
We're recording.
We had a lot of fun making this episode. We hope you had a lot of fun watching it. Please like, subscribe, share with all of your friends, and don't forget to ring that bell for notifications.
Look out! Back in position, Holly. Let me see
No
you.
worries, shake it out. Here, stop it. We can
So I can take a close-up.
keep skipping my line about the magpie coming. I'm like,
Let me put an arrow down there.
yeah, like,
I'm stuck down there, blacked out. Oh,
oh, here comes one of the magpies.
Oh, Holly. Move around. Oh, they pooped on your head.
You already said that.
I don't care. They did poop on your hair, too.
I just got...
One of them pooped on your forehead.
I don't know if you need to say that.
Why?
Okay, yes, if you...
It's poop.
I know, but they can see it.
Okay, I just want to be sure where you... What did you do to him?
What they do to me?
Take tuda. Oh. Okay. Take 77.
Hi everybody, we're out in the yard today feeding the birds.
Take 77.
Hi everybody, we're out in our yard today feeding the birds.
Take 77.
Hi everybody, we're out in the yard today feeding our birds.
Take triple billion. Holly!
What?
We're shooting.
Thanks for watching. We had a lot of fun making this episode. Please like, subscribe, share with all of your friends, and ring that bell for notifications.
Holly! Oh!
Do we
No.
still...
No, it's like...